I didn't have to wear glasses when I was 35. Right here today. That's a good one. I got a big one. Oh, he did come off. No, oh, he did come off. I think so. Oh no, he's still there. He just broke off the weeds. Now that's a massive one. It's like a 6-pounder.